Hi, my name is Haley Hevel, and this is my introduction video to MIT 806. A little bit about me is I just finished my first year of teaching in Oklahoma. This summer, in the next month, I am moving to Washington, and I have accepted a new position just a couple weeks ago, and I will be moving from third grade to first grade, and I'm super excited about it. I would say my experience with web-based instruction is more this past year than it will be in my next year, if that makes any sense. This past year I was at a school that was a district that was one-to-one, and so each of my third graders had a Chromebook, and it was awesome. I got to use them every day. We could do anything that we wanted education-wise on them, and it was great. When I was interviewing for my next school, I asked them how their technology looked like in their building, and they were super excited and super proud of this, but they have 2 tablets or 2 Chromebooks in each room and then maybe a tablet or 2. And they said that they weren't short on technology, but coming from where I'm coming from, that is way short on technology. So my strengths are that I can figure things out pretty well. I'm a Mac user, but I can also figure out a PC if you give me long enough, and I can Google how to do it. Weaknesses are that coming up with something on my own and not using what a teammate has used and modifying it to my students' needs is kind of a weakness, and then trying to figure out what to do with limited resources and still using web-based instruction. So that's my interest for the semester, is figuring out activities that I can do maybe in small groups while using tablets and Chromebooks, or how I can create them as stations for students to use as well, and that are also first grade user friendly. My goals relative to my degree, I am hoping to finish up by May of 2020. I started a year ago, and I'm hoping to finish next year, and that will be in 2 years. And then goals relative to my career is learning how to re-navigate first grade and staying on top of my planning and getting to know my teammates and work well with them. Ideas, tips, practices, and resources for staying on top of goals and tasks this semester. I am a planner. I love having a planner. I have a large, I just looked at it. I have a really large calendar up in my kitchen, and it has everything I need on it all the time. I see it right when I walk in the door every day. But mainly writing things down and setting goals and timely goals for yourself throughout the semester is my biggest thing. I also put things in my Google Calendar, so if I don't look at my planner during the day, but I have something due the next day, I'll get an alert on my phone saying I have it due the next day, so that way I still have time to get to it. I'm really excited for everything this semester and can't wait to learn from you all.